Rob, 3 plastic cups and a cardboard disc which is smaller than the rim of each cup.
Right.
Move them around anywhere you like on the table and end up with one of the cups covering completely the disc. I'll close my eyes,
Right.
but I'll then be able to identify the disc within seconds.
Done.
You ready? Right, the disc is under that cup.
Very good. Look away, I'll try it again.
Again, okay?
Yep.
Here we go.
No squizzing now.
Anywhere you like. Anywhere you like.
Very careful where I put this thing.
I'd say within 2 seconds this time I should be able to identify.
Right.
You ready? Under this one.
How are you doing that? Is there a hole in the cup you can see through?
No, no hole.
That looks all right.
And the cups are
A
identical.
mark on the disc, perhaps? I can't
you
see
see
one.
anything?
No, I can't see anything.
No, you can't. But if I'd used a light-coloured table rather than a dark table...
Aha! Is that hair anything to do with it?
It certainly is. You see, there's a little piece of hair sticking out there, and no matter how you place the cup over it, the hair will always be visible. That's all I had to look for. In fact, the cardboard disc is not one disc, but 2 discs, which are exactly the same size. I cut them out together with a pair of scissors, and I placed one of my dark hairs on there, held it in place with a piece of tape, and then glued the 2 pieces together. If you have dark hair, use a dark table. If you have blonde hair, use a light table. And try it on your friends.
I want to know. Curiosity.